Hi, welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to knit the M1 or make one left increase. This is a popular technique used to seamlessly add stitches to your knitting. Perfect for shaping garments, shawls, or any project that requires neat and almost invisible increases. Grab your needles and let's get started. First, locate the horizontal bar between the stitch you just worked and the next stitch on your left needle. With your left needle, lift the bar from front to back, placing it onto your needle to create a new loop. Now, knit this loop through the back. This twist closes any potential gap and ensures the increase blends beautifully into your fabric. And that's it! Notice how it leans slightly to the left, creating a neat and polished look. Let's try it again. One more time. Increases are usually made on the right side of your knitting, but if you ever need to make this increase on the purl side, here's how you do it. With your left needle, lift the bar from front to back. Purl this loop through the back. The twist prevents gaps and creates a clean result. Let's try it again. Okay, I wanted to show you how the increases look when made on the right side versus the purl side. As you can see, both increases lean to the left and are identical in appearance. This makes the M1 left a versatile technique for any knitting project. And there you have it. The M1 left is a simple yet essential technique to master for any knitter. Whether you're working on the knit or purl side, this increase is clean, seamless, and easy to learn. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what other techniques you'd like to see next. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.